For all of you that are small space living, this acrylic tray by Wexel is the perfect alternative for a bar cart. Saying the word bar cart for some reason just makes me think of 2016. It feels like everyone was on the hunt for the perfect bar cart back then, but maybe it was because it was the era that millennials were all now moving into apartments. I personally, though, have never had a bar cart because I'm not a fan of alcohol, but now non-alcoholic alternatives are really popular, so it feels like I can finally join in on the bar cart fun. I love this tray because it's from Wexel and their pieces are always top-notch in material and quality, but my favorite part about it is that it's also a picture frame and you can change out your graphic on the bottom of the tray. I found this gorgeous wrapping paper and I wanted to use it as the base of my tray, so I traced out the insert, but you could also just print out a photo that is tabloid size. The base of the tray has magnetic closure. You just angle it in place and have the first magnets connect, and then you give it a press to the opposite side. I love this as a gift for a wedding or a new family. I think it would be so cute as this birthday tray tradition. You just swap out the picture for the birthday prince or princess, and then you serve them breakfast in bed. I think it would be such a simple staple to introduce and look forward to every birthday. So Owen, I hope you're listening and taking notes. And of course, you can use my code Kelly Bryden 10 for 10% off your Wexel purchase.